Hey everyone, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a lovely look on this lovely girl, model, friend, whatever you call it, we have here. So I'm starting off with her face. I've already primed her face, so I'm just using her shade of foundation. Now I'm using classic foundation in color 3. That's her shade. I'm just using it all over her face, and once I'm done, I am going in with the highlighter. This is Lego Pro Concealer, and I'm just highlighting her face in the corners that sun would hit on. So I'm going on the bridge of her nose, her forehead. I am going on the other side of her face, so just like that, just applying it very well on her face, not forgetting her chin as well. So it's just going to be evenly distributed on those areas, and now I'm going with the contour just to bring it all together. And I'm still using the Lego Pro Concealer and just lightly on her face too as well. Then once I'm done with that, I am going to blend it all into her skin and making all hash lines disappear, just like the way I am doing now on her face. Just gently blending them in with a beauty blender. Yep, just like that. Make sure everything sits well on her face. Then I'm setting them with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, just to make it all settle in well on her face. And then I'm doing that on her forehead, just the places I applied the highlighter basically. And so moving on, okay, I'm still going to apply a little bit more. Then the brows, she has full brows, and that is so lovely, so I'm not going to stress myself. All I'm going to do is just fill it in. You can see the way I'm holding the pencil, very lightly, no pressure at all. I'm just going to feel. So I'm not drawing anything basically. I'm just doing light strokes on her eyebrows just to fill it in. Nothing too extra. Her eyebrows are already finely carved and like that, so I'm just brushing as I go, brushing and brushing. Please don't mind my model, she was talking all through this video, so yeah. But then I'm going to highlight the brows now. I'm doing that with a flat brush and the Lego Pro Concealer as well. My model is just a happy model. Talk, laugh, whatever she was doing in this video. Just ignore it and focus on the makeup, please. Well, yeah, so I am just highlighting the brows now, just cleaning up the edges. Now I'm sweeping away the powder, the setting powder on her face. I'm sweeping it all out excuse me, I'm sweeping it all out with a powder brush. And then for this look, we're not applying eyeshadow, so I'm just setting her eyelid now with powder. This is a very natural look. The concentration is going to be on the winged liner and the lashes, so there is no eyeshadow. Meanwhile, we can't leave our eyelids like that, so I am setting with powder. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going with the Zaron pot liner and just creating this semi-dramatic winged liner on her face, just like that, because that's what the concentration, that's what we're concentrating on. And I'm just going to do her waterline with that same Zaron pot liner, just in her waterline. Then I'm going with the lashes. This lashes is very lovely, like very very lovely. It's dramatic just the way I like it. So it's so nice. You can see the difference. Then for all of our face, I'm using the Tara powder palette. This powder palette is so lovely, it's so nice, and I'm afraid that it's almost out, some of them. I'm going to have to replace them. So I lined her lip with a brown lip liner. Then I used a very peachy lip gloss on it. So then for the glow, I am using BH Cosmetics, my favorite, on her cheekbone, just to add that extra shine on her face and her nose, and you know, just the corners of her face. Next okay, this model is actually feeling herself. She's feeling herself. Next up is the blush. I'm just going to use very little, very very little, like it's not even showing at all. Next is our very very lovely and almighty setting spray from Zaron. This is just going to help the makeup stay put, and this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. Please let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel and please share this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.